welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a super exciting video. I am going to be doing a makeup look with you guys today. It is going to be slightly Christmassy and it is going to be using one of my really close friends, ErikaaBeauty's collab palette that she just came out with. So if you want to see what I create and you want to see the palette and all the details and everything that I picked up, then make sure you keep watching. And if you like today's video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family, hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright, let's jump in. Okay, so off camera I have done my brows and I do have a bit of concealer on a lot of spots at the moment that I'm breaking out in just to reduce the redness for the intro. But everything else I'm going to do with you on camera today. So first of all, we got this little Happy Holidays card. It is absolutely adorable and it just says Happy Holidays from GlamGioLashes LLC and her website address, which is GlamGioBoutique.com. On the back is the picture of my beautiful friend ErikaaBeauty, and she's just written a little bit here saying thank you and happy holidays and a happy new year from herself and GlamGioLashes. So she collabed with GlamGioLashes, so it is the ErikaaBeauty Cross GlamGioLashes palette. Now I will list all the details down below for you if you would like to pick it up yourself. There is some still in stock at the moment and there is still some Christmas lashes in stock as well. So I will show you. There is other products I did not pick up. The main item I wanted was the palette. So this is the absolutely stunning, amazing palette. So it did come all packaged up in bubble wrap and tissue paper, and it had this clear cover on top. And I have also taken out the clear plastic from the middle already because I was too excited to wait and I had to swatch at least one color. So this is what the palette looks like. It is absolutely stunning. It is beautiful red and it's got the picture of Erika on the front. Down the bottom it has ErikaaBeauty Cross GlamGioLashes collab. And the palette name is up here and it is Twas the Night Before Christmas. On the back is all the ingredients. It has a 12-month expiry and is this beautiful, beautiful gold. So I'm so excited about this. On the inside is also that same gold. Now there is a nice big mirror as well. But this is the palette and it is stunning. Now the color that I went straight into was Santa. It's this red one here because I wanted to see if it actually did show up red on me versus a pink, because so far I have not found a red that will actually pull red on me. And I swatched this yesterday and it pulled red on me. I was so excited, so excited. So I'm just swatching that color for you because that's the one I have. How absolutely stunning is that? That is just one slight touch and look how much pigment there is. Stunning. They did an absolute amazing job. So that is probably going to be one of the colors that I play with today, but we will see as I create the look. So I won't swatch the other colors for you. If you would like to see the colors and the names and what the meaning behind all the names are, then go ahead and check out ErikaaBeauty on Facebook, and she has a video with all the explanation and all the colors with swatches, and she also does some looks with it. So if you want to see that, definitely go ahead and check her out. I will list everything down below in the info section for you. But I'm super excited to be playing with this today. So that was the collab palette I picked up. Now the brand also released some holiday collection pieces as well. So they did release some like lipsticks, some lashes, and I think there was another palette as well that was released with it, and then they've got some brow products and a few other things in there. But I picked up the palette and a bundle of their lashes. So I got 3 styles of lashes and this is their holiday styles, and how cute are these packaging? Absolutely love them. They're stunning. So first off, this is the style Champagne. It is absolutely amazing. So pretty. Now the style name is in here. You do get a little spoolie thing there. and the really cute packaging, and it feels quite sturdy. So I'm really excited to give these a shot, but this is in the style Champagne. Then the next one I picked up is in the style Baddie Vibes, and this one's the blue box. And this is what they look like. And again, another spoolie, and the name there, Baddie Vibes. Now, I'm not sure if you're able to see how full that one is. It is amazing. It's not super duper long, it's just mainly full. So I'm excited about that one as well. And the lucky last one in the bundle that I got is in the style Naughty. So this one's in a red box, and this is the style here. So another spoolie again, but it is absolutely amazing. And then in the package there was a little gift as well, so it just came in this little bag, and it looks like a Christmas scrunchie, and then it has a pair of eyelash applicators. So that was super exciting to get a little gift in there too. So let's jump in and start playing with the makeup. So I absolutely love the palette. I went with this really nice red look here. I did use a few of the colours. The inner corner is silver, and the brow highlight as well is also silver. But I really wanted to play with red because it is red on my skin tone. It's not pulling pink. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to finally have a red in my collection that is actually red. See this? I am super impressed with this palette. I really love it. I can't wait to play with it more. I'm going to do a live with James with it as well, and I will most likely use this again in future videos, or I'll probably reach for this palette quite a bit for the month of December, seeing as it is a Christmas palette and I'm going to be doing lots of Christmas looks. So yeah, I absolutely love it. I'm so excited to have it in my collection now, and I just want to say a huge congratulations to my friend Erika. She is absolutely amazing and you did so amazing, hon. I am so proud of you and you should be proud of yourself as well. So anyways, I'm going to leave the video there. This is the completed look and I'm super happy with it. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys.